Dr. Eva Fisher with Theater Courage, helping you become an excellent public speaker. Today I want to talk about something that is important when you use notes. Now, I've recommended before not to use notes. And definitely, if you want your credibility to come across, you don't want to use notes because it looks like you don't know what you're talking about. But let's say it's a formal occasion, so a graduation, or you need to introduce a famous person and you don't want to mess up. So notes might be appropriate. How do you structure those notes so that you can read them easily? Well, don't type them in a 12-point font. I want to show you something. This is what not to do with your speaking notes. This is what you want to do with your speaking notes. You want them to be able to be read at arm's length. If you can read them at arm's length, you could have them down here. You could have them in a very inconspicuous spot. Then you just glance down quickly, look at your notes, and look back at your audience. That way, they're not distracting, and you're not going to be tempted to read off of them word for word. So again, keep your notes simple, short, and easy to read. Dr. Eva Fisher with Theater Courage, helping you become an excellent public speaker.